Hey there, garden lovers. Did you know that growing herbs alongside your veggies can actually help repel pests? Yep, it's true. Some herbs have natural properties that keep those pesky bugs away, making your garden thrive like never before. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of companion planting. It's a super cool method where you grow different plants together to benefit each other. And guess what? Herbs are not only great for flavoring your meals but also for creating a healthier garden. They can improve the growth of your veggies, attract beneficial insects, and even help keep pests at bay. Let's explore how we can make our gardens flourish. Now, let's talk about some of the challenges that many gardeners face. Pest infestations can be a real nightmare, right? You plant your seeds with love, and then bam! Aphids or caterpillars come and ruin your hard work. Plus, sometimes plants just don't grow as well as you expect, leaving you frustrated. But here's the good news: using herbs can help. They can act as natural repellents and even enhance the growth of your veggies. So, if you're tired of battling bugs and lackluster growth, you might want to consider adding some herbs to your garden. So, what herbs should you plant with your veggies? Let's break it down. First up, basil is a fantastic companion for tomatoes. Not only does it taste amazing, but it also helps with pest control and can actually improve the flavor of your tomatoes, which pairs well with carrots and helps them grow bigger. And don't forget about marigolds. While technically not an herb, they're great for deterring nematodes and other pests when planted alongside almost any veggie. Each of these herbs brings something special to the table, enhancing both growth and flavor. Now, let's highlight a real superstar herb, basil. It's not just a pretty face in the garden, it's a game changer. Basil not only repels pests like flies and mosquitoes, but it also boosts the growth of tomatoes. This dynamic duo thrives together, producing delicious tomatoes with that perfect hint of basil flavor. Growing them side by side means you'll have an abundant harvest that's packed with flavor. So if you want to elevate your garden game, basil is the herb to have. To wrap things up, we've uncovered some amazing herbs that can transform your garden into a productive paradise. From basil with tomatoes to parsley with carrots, these herbs not only enhance growth but also add flavor to your dishes. Remember, companion planting is all about creating harmony in your garden, leading to healthier plants and a bountiful harvest. Before you go, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite herb combinations? Drop a comment below and let's chat about it. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my other gardening tips for more ways to grow a thriving garden. Happy gardening, everyone. Herbs.